Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you my HVAC Milwaukee packout setup. So basically the way I have it set it up is one packout for the condenser and the other packout set up for the tool that I'm going to use in the attic and the power tool that I'm going to keep in my truck. Maybe if I need it, I pull it out, use it and put it back out. But basically the rolling box on the left and the large box will stay in the truck. All right, so let me show you how I got it set up. All right, sorry for the movement. Okay, so this is my field piece, 5 CFM vacuum pump. Right here, my NAVAC recovery machine. This is a plate that I built myself. I'm gonna use it like a platform. I just put some feet, pack out feet of it, so that way I can just set it over my pack out, put a recovery machine, the tank, or the vacuum. So let's get this out of the way. So the box in the top, sorry for the movement, is the one I have set up for my vacuum and recovery. So right here on the left I have a hose that is going from the recovery machine to the tank, and I have the hoses that are what I'm gonna use a T without a manifold so I can pull it most faster, and I'm gonna use a cord removable one on each side, but that way I can do it faster. So I got some filters, so that way I can protect my recovery machine. Those machines are expensive, so I'm not willing to put a lot of stuff in it. So on the right side I have my Jello jacket, 1/4 inch to 3/4 vacuum rated hoses with with an oil tank. So this is going right here. I already have one inside the vacuum, so in that way I can just pull the oil over here and drain it back there. So I'm gonna keep it full. And in the middle section I have 3/4 removable with my Jello jacket vacuum micro gauge. Alright, so I put this piece of foam in here so it's not gonna be bumping around. Protect that. Alright. Okay. So the second level is my small box. This is where I keep my power tools and manual tools. So let me pull it out just right quick. Alright. Okay, right here I get my Milwaukee. This is the brush. This is a Gen 3 hammer drill with my measure tape all in a instead in the foam. Some beads to drill into the wall with a level. And in this section over here I got some beads. You see I have a triangle, there's a mason hole, an extension, and there's Makita beads. So I got a step bead over here. This one is for dust. Locking cap, there's another roller one, so I just keep those in there just in case. Some beads. I don't know why I'm gonna keep it this one, but maybe they get me out of problem. They're gonna send me a trip to the truck. And more beads. The other side I have copper quarter knife. So another fitting. Maybe I'm gonna keep this one in another side. This is my pliers, wire strippers, This one, okay. The wrenches, I got two. I don't know why I got two. I get a screwdriver and adjustable wrench and a marker. Now let's get this all in place. Da -da -da -da. Alright. Okay. Sorry. This way. Okay, let's go to the rolling box. Ta-da-da. So my rolling box right now, I'm just gonna carry it the way it is right now, but I'm probably not gonna need as much of what I have right there. So in this section right here, I got my meters with some clamps, temperature meter, a PVC quarter, pliers, adjustable wrench, and wide quarter. Some big tools that is not gonna fit in the middle box, and I have a headlamp too. Okay. Right here I got my field piece 4-port digital gauges. I got some GB gauges. Probably I'm gonna use this one when I have to do a pump down, and this will be my go-to for sure. So the way I have it set it, let me show you. So I got my prof. Sorry for the camera. Sorry for that. All right. So I have my prof right here, the temperature clamps, pressure prof, and the side commenter. So, and right here I have a charging hose. So I use my digital gauges, the field piece, for a while, for about 3 years. It has been my go-to, but I want to get rid of the hoses. So the way I plan it to do it is using T. Where you at? Right here. I got another side commenter right here. Okay, where's my T? Oops, oops. Oh, okay. I think I lose my T. So you get the point. I'm gonna use a T in order to connect it to the vapor side, and then use my hoses, so I don't have to use my gauges. Okay, I got extension cord and the field piece, a scale. For the moment, I'm gonna keep rolling this way. Probably I'm not gonna use this one so much. Probably I'm gonna keep it in the truck. If I'm working in two condenser, maybe I'm not gonna carry out, but probably that's the way I'm gonna ride for a moment. Okay, so on this side over here, I have my. Let me set this right quick on this side. Just give me a second. Okay, so on this side, right here, I got most of the tools that I'm gonna use in the attic. I'm gonna tell you guys this is the setup for the install, the HVAC install. Right here, I have this back end that's been with me for 3-4 years. This is a packout fit, so that way I can hook it up to the rest of the boxes. I got the wholesale kit. This side right here, that's my bag, my tool bag. So this is the one I'm gonna carry it to the attic. So most of the tools that I have in here are Milwaukee tools. So on this side over here, I got my knife. I get some squeegee, one on this side, one on the other side with my copper coating measure tape. This side I have all my pliers. Most of those are Milwaukee. Oh, come in. So wire stripper. I got a flat screwdriver, a double knife. Yeah, this is one of the few non-Milwaukee tools in here. I rather have this one because this have this metal side. So if I had to use a hammer, so I know I'm not gonna damage my knife. So I got my Milwaukee torpedo level right here. My Milwaukee PVC quarter. Okay, adjustable wrench. This one I use it if I have to go to the roof and adjust the bend pipe because they was using a 5-inch bend pipe, and we must use the 4-inch. So another screwdriver. This is the 11M1. So I don't have to carry a lot of screwdrivers. With that one is much not enough. Not a small one, just in case I need it to be in tight spaces. On this side of the bag, I have a Husky screwdriver. I just painted it in red because I like red. Okay, an extension, another bead, so marker, Milwaukee, of course, just a pen. On this side over here, I have my headlamp. That's the one that use batteries. I get my Gen 3 impact drill, and in here I carry set bead, big set. Sorry. So my pentagon, hammer, and some wrenches. Basically, that's my setup, my go-to in the bag. And I have in this pocket, I have my angle, my right angle, and another step bit. This is the impact rated. And in this outside pocket has some batteries and other stuff, some uh, electrical tape and fuses, and so just in case I have to troubleshoot it or something else happen. So at the bottom I carry all sorry, the camera's gonna move again. Yeah, do that. Come in. All right, got it. At the bottom I got this low profile single side packout box, so probably gonna need to stack it every install, but I have some small screw, long screws, core some another screws. Okay, get those wire nuts, rubber connectors. So okay, let's go to this way. Yeah, and this one, this large box, this is where I carry my. Let me pull it out a little bit. All right. So I got a stud finder, staple gun with some staples. I have my D-wall, G-rock holder. I get, of course, safety glasses. If I don't get it right there, I know I'm not gonna use it. I got another knife, some markers, pencil. I guess another set of bit. This is my wicked. This Makita's really good. Like it, love it. And more duckboard knife. Okay. At the bottom, I carry my chargers and batteries. You see why I carry this D-wall? I don't know. I'm probably gonna take it out of there. So I got more D-wall power tool, but I don't use it as much. Yeah, I'm not planning to use it anyway. Probably I'm gonna remove it out of there. Okay. Well, all right. And the final one. This is where the fun is. I got all my portables. Okay, I got one rubber light. I I've been carrying this for maybe 4 years, maybe 5. I got another rubber light. This one is gray. I was hesitant to grab it, but when I see that you can hook it out to a 2x4 with this, I say, oh, I gotta have it. Okay, so cock gun, the fuel hacksaw. I got a duckboard quarter, so copper quarter, some blade for my jigsaw and the hacksaw. So blades for the motor tool. I got the motor tool right here. This is awesome. Love it. And my sickle saw and my jigsaw. Alright guys, this is all that I carry on. Probably gonna make some kind of adjustment to it, but this time, love it, love it, love it, love it, love it. It's time to organize. Bye bye.